Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Discover Software. Today we're going to learn how to make a professional intro or outro for YouTube videos or other reasons. The first step is to open Google Chrome, search for Penzoid. Don't worry, I will leave a link for you in the description. As you see, this page shows up and we have some creations. For example, we want to choose one of those. We want to choose this one, for example. We open it in Clipmaker. We click this I button and then play. We can choose another one, for example this one here. But in my case, I'm choosing this one. I open it in Clipmaker, I click this I button and then play. It has no movements. Okay, we click this one, we open it in Clipmaker, click this I button and then play. Okay, this looks amazing, and let's say that we want to edit it and put our text. All we need to do is to open objects that's here, and as you see here are a lot of shapes, a lot of text is. All you need to do is to find where text is. For example, here it is. We click on name, we delete it, and write, for example, Discover Software. We click enter. On the other one too. And in the last one too. And we click enter. So let's play it again. As you see, it's good, but oh, I'm sorry, there's a name too. I forgot one. As you see, it's good, but the text is too big to fit our screen. So all we need to do is to click the text and edit this one here to, for example, 10. We do the same thing with the others. 10, 10, and the last one to 10. And let's check it again. As you see, it's alright. We just make the last check. And after we have edited, we have checked it, we want to download it. As you see, here is a button named download. We choose the mode. For example, it can be fastest render, which is not a good quality, balanced, good quality, and extreme quality, which takes a lot of time. Usually I choose good quality and the format to this one here. Then we click start video render. Sometimes it takes only 1 minute, but it depends on how many objects it has. So hello back, and as you see, our render is finished. All you need to do is to click download our video or to return to editing if we have forgotten something. As you see, when we click download, another page shows up, and here is our video. We open it and let's check it. As you see, it's amazing and it's ready to post it to YouTube. And thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace out.